Okay, want to know the secret to getting up to 200 pounds for free? Today, I'm breaking down exactly how to get your Revolut sign-up bonus.
Before we dive in, let's set the ground rules. To qualify, you need 4 things. 1. Sign up with the Revolut referral link. 2. Add money to your account. 3. Order a Revolut physical card. 4. Make 3 transactions with a Revolut card, virtual or physical. Each transaction must be at least 5 pounds. Also, transfers and gambling do not count. Now that you understand this, let me explain the steps to get the Revolut Bank referral bonus. Step 1, click the Revolut referral link in the description. It sends you straight to the Revolut page to create the bank account and has the code built in to get you the sign-up money.
Step 2. Create your account. A. Enter in your phone number and verify it to get started. B. Set up your 4-digit passcode. C. Enter in your details, your name, date of birth, address, email, and country of residence, etc. D. Verify your identity. Take a clear photo of your ID, passport or driving license, then a quick selfie to confirm it's you. E. Choose your Revolut plan. You can select the free plan or the paid one. It won't affect your bonus. Step 3. Fund your Revolut account. Top up with at least 25 pounds via bank transfer or debit card. Why 25? That covers your card shipping and those 3 5-pound purchases we talked about.
Step 4. Order Revolut physical card. On the Revolut app, go to the card section. Choose Physical, then select the card to get. The card itself is free, but you'll pay a small shipping fee. Step 5. Make 3 transactions with Revolut Bank Card. Here's the pro tip. Do not wait for the plastic card to arrive. Get and use your free virtual card that's ready in the app right now. Make 3 online purchases with it, or if you have a NFC-enabled smartphone, add it to your Apple Pay or Google Pay to pay at various merchant locations.
Step 6. The Revolut bonus. Once you hit that 3rd purchase, the clock starts ticking. In just a few days, Revolut will credit your account with anywhere from 10 to 200 pounds. It's that simple.
So, quick recap about getting Revolut Bank bonus. 1. Sign up with this Revolut referral link. 2. Add money to your account, enough to order for an ATM physical card, and make transactions. 3. Order the Revolut physical card immediately. It's free, but you pay for delivery. 4. Make 3 transactions with a Revolut card, virtual or physical. Each transaction has to be at least 5 pounds. 5. Use the Revolut virtual card to make transactions to speed things up. Do not wait for your physical card to arrive. 6. Don't waste time on transfers and gambling. They don't count.
Now you know how to sign up on Revolut Bank and get the bonus. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to enjoy more insightful video. Thanks for watching.